Hey guys, it's Austin here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix the dry pin on your trolling motor, whether it be a Minn Kota or any other brand, for less than $4. The first thing you're going to need is this 1/8 inch brass rod from Lowe's. It's about $3.50. The next tool you're going to need is some type of cutters to cut the rod with. Probably shouldn't be using wire cutters like I am. Then you're going to need a 13mm wrench. And the last thing you're going to need is some sandpaper or a sander. Alright guys, let's get into this. Alright, so step one, we're going to take our prop nut off and using our 13mm wrench. Then the washer. Now, if your prop pin's bent real bad, you might have to hammer this off. Or if it's real bad, you might have to end up cutting this off. But if you're able to get it off like me and not have to replace it, that'll save you a lot of money. What I noticed worked best for me is to spray some PB Blaster or WD-40 in this hole while I was hammering this off. It definitely helped a lot. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and remove the prop pin. If it doesn't come out, you might have to take a hammer and knock it off. One of the telltale signs of noticing that your pin is broken is if it doesn't slide in and out the shaft. If you can see mine here, the original one, pretty bent up. So now we're going to make us a new pin out of the brass rod. What you're going to do is take your existing one, match it up with the brass rod, and go ahead and cut one to the exact same length. There you go. Then you're going to go ahead and take your sandpaper and round off the edges. Alright, and there you have your new pin. Go ahead and slide it back in. Put your prop on. Washer and bolt. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and cut a couple extra pins out, just in case I have any problems out in the water and need to make a quick fix. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for upcoming videos. See ya. See ya. See ya.